Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Prestige P, and in today's video you can already know from the title that I'll be doing a quarantine and chill type of a video today. I see a lot of people doing it and I wanted to do it because this is really everybody life right now, chilling, like you can't go nowhere. So I wanted to do this simple, easy makeup look. I finished this in 10 minutes and you can do it too. This is very simple and nice. I love the way how it turned out, really nice, and I'm going to show you guys how to get that look. So make sure you already subscribe and turn on your bell because I do upload a Monday through Friday. And yeah, let's jump right in. Okay guys, so we're going to jump right in and we're going to start with prepping my skin moisturizer, all of that good stuff. You guys know already I'll be using the Hue moisturizer anti-aging face cream, and if you see something on right here, that glue is still on my lashes from yesterday, like it's not coming off. So I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize and do all of that good stuff. So are you guys loving yesterday's video? I showed you guys how I make this color wig. Yes, not how I make it, how I color it. Okay, so if you guys did not watch yesterday's video, make sure you watch it. I'm gonna leave that cord up top, so after this video go ahead and watch that one. It was very fun to do. This is my second day of wearing the hair and I love it so much, but I'm a person that don't like to keep on colored hair that long. The most I like to keep on my colored hair is 3 days the most, because I like to switch it up. Plus I have a hair company, so I have to switch up my hair like almost every single week. So yeah, so right now I am using my anti-aging serum that have hyaluronic acid inside, and I'm gonna use that to put all over my face and especially under the eyes, because I don't know, like mostly under my eyes is drier than the entire face. I do have dry skin, but under the eyes dries more. Weird, right? By the way guys, I did my nails myself. This is not clip-on, this is acrylic. It's like everything that you do when you go to a nail salon. I did it myself and it looks so damn good. I cannot wait to show you guys how I do my nails at home. I have everything. When I say everything that a nail salon have, when you go and do your nails, I bought it on Amazon. Like, well, that's everything. Okay, everything. So I'm working on, doing a couple of videos showing you how I do my nails. And yeah, so next I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows. I'm gonna be taking my powder because you saw that I do a lot of cream and stuff on my face, so it's very shiny and greasy right now. And the way how I did my eyebrow in that last video, I'm gonna be doing it today. And sorry if you hear any noise outside. My next door neighbor is mowing their lawn because it's a really nice day outside. It's windy, but it's a very cool wind. So everybody and their mama outside and doing that good stuff. So don't mind that lawnmower. Okay, so since this is a Netflix and chill type of a video and makeup look, you want to look very natural because your ass ain't going nowhere. Ain't nobody going nowhere. So you want to look very chill but still look natural, like you have on no makeup. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this is the Nars Concealer. This is in Amende. And pretty much everything, almost all of my concealers are like almost down, and I need to go and get some more stuff. But right now I'm just gonna go ahead and clean up under the brows. Okay, so now that I clean it up, I normally would like bring it all the way down, but I'm not doing any crazy makeup look today. You guys saw the intro and the thumbnail. It's a really chill makeup look, so I'm not really gonna fussy the brows much. I'm gonna be using the Ruby Kisses in level 14, but I'm taking the darkest shade for the top part, and I'm just gonna go ahead and clean it up. So now I'll be using the concealer, the same concealer that I used to clean up the top of my brows. And this is kind of like to color correct. I'm mostly putting it under the eyes because that's where I have the, most of the dark spots. I normally use the LA Girl Pro in orange to do this. But today I want to use this one because I want to have a very, nice makeup today. Just to make sure that it looks, a little bit natural than, normal how I do my makeup. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just tap it in. And then I'm gonna use that same Nars Concealer and put it right here. And do you realize that I haven't even do my foundation yet? This is a really simple, easy step to do when you wanna just run out the door in 10 minutes. 10 minutes and you're good. You're good with this look. So I'm gonna put it there and here. And a little bit on the forehead. I don't really like doing my forehead anymore, but I'll just put it there just for today. And then I'm gonna spray my face just a little bit. And then use the damp beauty blender and blend out the concealer. Okay, and then I'm gonna use my foundation, which is the Clinique Matte Velvet, and I'm only gonna put this amount, just like that. And I'm gonna take my fingers and just put it on my face, just around the outer corners. And you want to put on something very, full coverage, like medium to full coverage. As you can see, like, look at this. It not even look like I have on foundation. Like, it just blend right into my neck, as you can see. And you can also take it and clean up the eye area. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit more, little teeny bit more, and this is what I'm only gonna put for the forehead area, just a little bit. Okay guys, so now that it's all blended nicely, I'm still blending. I'm just crazy. I like to blend. I really like to blend a lot. Okay, I'm done blending. Alright, so now that it's all set, I'm gonna go ahead and use my MAC finishing powder in NW45. And this one I'm gonna take all over my entire face. I'm even gonna take it under the where I did that concealer. Normally I use the Fenty in butter, but today I'm just gonna put it all over. We ain't going nowhere, so it's okay if you have creases in the house. Nothing wrong with that. So yeah, look at that. Looks so natural, so flawless. See, just like that. And then I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna use my, oops, dropping everything. I'm gonna be using my ABH in Cocktail Party, and I'm gonna take the darkest shade here, which I use for my bronzer and stuff like that. And I'm gonna take a brush and use that just to have that color on the eyes, just a little bit color, nothing crazy. And this is the only color I'm using today. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take that and just sweep it in, like into the crease area right here. And I'm gonna take it to the bridge of my nose to have that, you know, natural looking nose contour. And also, this is like an everyday makeup look. Like, this is the only shadow, which is a bronzer, I'm putting on onto my lid. And this is kind of like a everyday makeup look too. This is really, really easy and simple. Anyone could do this, so you don't have to be a pro. I'm not. I just, you know, work over time and get it together. But look at that. That's the only thing I'm putting on onto my eyes. Saying on my brows. This is the only thing I'm putting on onto my eyes. Simple and easy. It's all done. I'm not even gonna blush my cheeks. Nothing like that. Not one thing like that. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the, what should I use? Okay, I'm gonna use a highlight. I really do. I'm gonna be using the MAC in Gold Deposit. And I'm gonna take it, and it's still broken. This one broke from last year. I haven't even fixed it yet. And then I'm gonna put it onto this brush and just kind of fan it up. Put on a wax. Just fan it up a little bit. Put it on top of your brows. You see how easy that is? Just like that. You want to kind of feather out the highlights if you're doing something natural. You know, just to look like you're glowing from within. And a little bit onto the nose. So you see that? It looks so natural. It looks like I'm just glowing, okay? So after that's done, I'm gonna go into my 3D brow tone from Benefit, and I'm gonna take that for my brows because I want to have a very, very natural looking brows today. Very, very natural. I even want some of the bald spot to show because, you know, nobody has thick brows. Like, do you have thick brows and have no bald spots? Do you? I don't. So I'm gonna be doing this, and this really tint my brow. I think this shade is 4.5. I think so. Yeah, this is number 4 in the Benefit brow tone. See, look how natural this look. And then I'm gonna go into the Better Than Sex Mascara. I'm not a fan of this, but I want to use this today, and I'm only gonna just, you know, do these lashes because it's kind of like clumpy. I don't know, but to me, a lot of people was raving about it, and I went and bought it, and I'm glad I only bought the small one because I'm a person that kind of like to buy something small first, like, you know, the Fenty one. I bought the smaller one because I didn't know if I'm gonna like it, and I do. So when it's done, or, you know, this just flash all over my face. Oh. Anyways, when everything is open, I'm gonna go ahead and buy the bigger one from Fenty. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just put this on, and then I'm gonna put a little bit onto the bottom. It's really thick, so you gotta be careful if you have a little bit of hair underneath. I don't recommend using this one because it's thick as hell. Guess what? Pretty much that's all about it for the eye area. Yeah, that's it for the eye area. I'm gonna go into the lips. I'm gonna take a little bit of the MAC Gold Deposit though and put it right into the waterline, the inner highlight, just a little tip. Just like that. You can't even see it. And then for lips, I'm gonna go into this lip liner here. Should I go into the blue one, the brown one, pink one, purple one? I'm gonna go into this one here. This is the chestnuts, and line the lips. And then I'm gonna go into the Marc Jacob, and this one is in, I don't know the shade of this, but this one is the Marc Jacob, and put it on. Very shiny. And then I'm gonna go into my Morphe spray and spray my face. And this is it, guys. This is my quarantine and chill day. Okay, this is really simple to do. I love the way how it turned out. I'm just so shocked that no one could go anywhere. I live in New Jersey and we're still on shutdown. Okay, we're still on shutdown, and I just, this is a really nice, like fall, what am I saying? Fall. This is a really nice summer chill kind of day on the beach. Like, you can wear this even on the beach. Like, this looks so natural and chill, and I can't even go nowhere, but I look damn good. And you could wear this even when you go to work, because this is like a 10-minute makeup, you're done. Okay, really simple, really nice, quarantine and chill. I really love it. And yeah, I think I'm just gonna go take some pictures for Instagram. If you are not following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me at press_here_p on Instagram. I will put everything down below in the description box, so make sure you guys check it out. And I do upload Monday through Friday. So yeah, I just put my hair in a little bun and just wrap it up, and you're good to go. You're out the door. So yeah, leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you think about this simple, nice look. And I'll see you tomorrow in the next one. Bye, guys.